Hello elegant ladies and welcome to my channel. My name is Rafaela and every Tuesday I post videos about elegance, beauty and personal development. So if you want to learn how to become more elegant, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. In this video I want to talk about a subject that I've been struggling with lately. I love being elegant so much, but as you may know, I gave birth a month ago and I find it hard to feel elegant nowadays. So today I want to talk about how to be elegant with a newborn. And honestly, it is so hard to even feel like a normal human being after so many sleepless nights, and when your clothes cannot stay clean for more than 15 minutes, and the list can go on and on. Unless you have a full-time nanny helping you with the baby. But even then, after giving birth, the hormones go crazy, and besides the mood swings that a new mother can experience postpartum, the acne that made you feel insecure during your teens comes back and hits you in the face with beautiful pimples. Of course, not all new mothers will experience all of this, but at least that is what I am dealing with right now. So the question is, can you really be elegant with a newborn? I made this video mostly for myself, but also for all the mothers out there who feel the pressure to be perfect mothers, perfect wives, to have perfectly cleaned homes, to look impeccable and still make time to build a career. I'm sorry, I have been interrupted and she won't let me film, so I guess we'll continue together. I want this video to be a reminder that being a woman is hard. We have a lot on our shoulders, and under no circumstances should we compare our lives with those perfect lives that we see on Instagram or YouTube or any other social medias. These platforms are made to show only the good parts in someone's life, and they don't reflect the reality. Especially as a new mother, we go through a very intense phase, both physically and mentally, and we should be more lenient and bless you, and understand that this is only temporary. Instead of trying to accomplish everything and be perfect in every area of your life, try to focus on your beautiful little baby and the happiness that he brings into your life. Try to enjoy the small things. By the way, elegance is not only about the way you look, but rather the way you feel inside, the way you act and speak. At the end of this video, I will put a link to the video where I show you how to speak elegantly, so you could watch it next. Now, let's talk about 7 things that you can do to actually feel better as a new mother or as a stay-at-home mom in general. Get help. Whenever you have the chance, don't hesitate to ask for help. And if you can afford it, hire a nanny from time to time so you can have a few moments for yourself. Involve your partner. You are in this together, so ask your partner to split the house chores or to take out the kids on the weekend so you can have a few moments for yourself. Get as much sleep. If you breastfeed or you wake up often during the night, try to recover during the day by taking a nap. A 15 minutes nap will make wonders and you'll feel wonderful. Take a longer shower. We moms sacrifice every minute of our day for our kids, and sometimes we skip the everyday shower or take a very quick one. I recommend you to take a longer shower. Don't rush, take your time. Use your favorite shower gel and try to transform every shower into a relaxing routine. You'll feel so refreshed afterwards. Get out of your nightwear. For stay-at-home moms or for those who work from home, we feel tempted to stay in our pajamas all day long. Since we don't leave the house, why bother, right? Well, no. It is very important to get dressed even if you remain inside the house. It will shift your mood instantly. Put makeup on. Similarly to the previous point, this will instantly lift your mood. Cover your dark circles with some concealer and put some mascara on, and I'll promise you that you'll feel a lot better. Take a walk or do an easy 10 minutes workout. It is well known that doing sports increases your endorphin levels, which makes you happy. So do an easy workout every day or simply take a walk. So this is it for today's video. What else would you add to this list? Please share it with us by leaving a comment below. My dears, I know it's not easy being a mother, but you are not alone. We are strong and we can do this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to this channel. If you want to keep in touch with me, you can also find me on my Instagram page, The Elegant Lady. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.